Hi guys, welcome to my most tutorials. Today we are solving inequalities. After solving them, we will then be required to show them on a number line, right? So for our first inequality, we are given minus 3 less than 2x plus 1. They want you to solve for x and then you show it on a number line. How are we going to do it? We are going to treat the inequality sign as if it is the equal sign, right? So with that being said, we will say minus 3 is less, we bring plus 1 to the other side. When plus 1 comes this side, it's just going to be negative 1. So it's going to be minus 3 minus 1 less than 2x, like that. Minus 3 minus 1 is going to be minus 4. So minus 4 is less than 2x. Then we divide by 2 both sides, right? When we divide by 2 both sides, we are going to get minus 2 is less than x. Minus 2 is less than x, the same as x is greater than minus 2. I hope you agree with me, right? Minus 2 is less than x is the same as x is greater than 2. And showing this on the number line, I have my 0, my minus 2 somewhere here. My x values, they are greater than minus 2. So I will draw a circle there, a clear circle, and my arrow will be going to the right like that. Because all the x values, they are greater than minus 2. And numbers that are greater than minus 2, they are at this side, right? That's for number 1. What about number 2? They said minus 2x is less than or equal to 4. I need you guys to take note of something. When you're dealing with inequalities or when you're simplifying inequalities, whenever you have to divide by a negative, right? Whenever you divide by a negative, your inequality sign must change, right? Since we've divided by a negative 2 there, so our will say x is greater or equal to minus 2. Our final solution is we'll say x is greater or equal to minus 2. Why am I saying that? Because I divided with a negative, okay? Whenever you divide by a negative, your inequality sign changes. It was less than or equal to, now it's greater than or equal to. And showing this on a number line, this where my 0 will be, my negative 2 will be there. The x values are greater or equal to negative 2. So my circle this time around is shaded, greater or equal to negative 2. It's just going to go on the right there. So that's a very important point for you guys to note today. And then our third question, it has a fraction. I hope you still remember whenever you're given a fraction, the first thing that you need to do is to clear fractions, right? We are given minus 1 is less than 2x minus 3 over 2. So since we are given a fraction, the first thing that we do is to clear fractions, right? We'll multiply by 2 both sides. Minus 1 times 2, get a negative 2, less than, the 2's are going to cancel out, 2x minus 3. Let's bring minus 3 this side, just going to be minus 2 plus 3 less than 2x. Minus 2 plus 3, it's a 1. 1 is less than 2x. We divide by 2 both sides. Half is less than x. In other terms, our x is greater than half. Showing this on a number line, this is my 0. I'll put 1 there, so my half will be somewhere there. Let me make this line a bit longer. Then maybe I'll put a 2 there. So if 1 is here, so our half will be somewhere there. So we are saying x values are greater than half. Our empty circle going like that. That's where we have our x values greater than half. And our last example for today, it's very, very important for you to master this one. Most people, they get it wrong. Make sure you understand it and get it very well. It's a bit longer. We are having minus 1 less than 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. Minus 1 less than 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. Most people, when they see two inequality signs, they run away, not knowing that this is a very, very simple mathematic. So you simply say minus 1 is less than 2x minus 3. You simplify this portion on its own. And then you simplify 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5. I hope you see the way I divided this. I treated this first one up to here as a separate inequality. And then I say the second inequality will start here up to there. And then I'm going to simplify them separately. So with that being said, I'll just bring minus 3 this side. It's going to be positive 3 less than 2x. So it's just going to be minus 3 plus 1 is a 2. 2 less than 2x. I divide by 2 both sides. 1 is less than x, right? I maintain this. This side, I'm just going to take my 3 to the other, my negative 3 to the other side. I'm remaining with 2x less than or equal to 8, right? Well, let me just show it. 3 plus 5. So 2x is less than or equal to 8. I divide by 2 both sides. My x is less than or equal to 4. So now, my final solution. What will be my final solution? The x values, they are greater than 1. But then they are less or equal to 4. So I'll write my 1 there and my 4 there. I put my my signs like that. Okay. X is greater than 1. It's shown here. X is greater than 1. X is less than or equal to 4. Yes, x is less than or equal to 4. So I've shown my final solution, but I still need to show it on a number line. Like that. I'll assume my 4 is there. My 1 is here. My 0 is there. I'll draw my circle here. This side I'm going to shade it. Then I join the 2 points. So this is how we simplify our inequalities. I hope you guys are benefiting from these videos. See you on our next section.